Understanding indoor toxins.
Indoor toxins are substances found in household air and dust that may impact health. Common sources include cleaning products, paints, furniture, and even dust mites or mold. Repeated exposure to these pollutants can contribute to allergies and respiratory problems over time. Recognizing where toxins originate is the first step toward making safer choices in your home environment.
Improve air quality daily.
Keep your indoor air fresh and clean by opening windows regularly to let in outdoor air, especially after cleaning or cooking. Use exhaust fans in bathrooms and kitchens to vent moisture and pollutants. Consider adding air purifying plants or use a high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filter to help reduce dust, pollen, and chemical fumes circulating inside your home.
Choose safer cleaning habits.
Opt for non-toxic cleaning products such as vinegar, baking soda, or soap-based cleaners, which are effective and safer for your health. Avoid products with harsh fragrances or chemicals, and always store cleaners out of children's reach. Clean surfaces and floors regularly with a damp cloth or mop to help limit the buildup of dust and residue from household toxins.
Control allergens and dust.
Limit dust, mold, and pet dander by washing bedding weekly in hot water, vacuuming carpets with a HEPA filter vacuum, and wiping down hard surfaces. Reduce clutter that can collect dust and use allergy-proof covers on pillows and mattresses. Control indoor humidity with a dehumidifier to discourage mold and dust mite growth, keeping indoor air cleaner and healthier.
Limit chemical sources.
Be mindful of everyday items that release chemicals at home. Choose low or no VOC paints and furniture when decorating. Avoid air fresheners and scented candles that can add pollutants to the air. Store chemicals like pesticides, paints, and solvents outside living spaces and dispose of them safely following local guidelines.
Simple daily practices for a safer home.
A few simple habits go a long way to lower indoor exposure. Remove shoes at the door to keep out pesticides and dirt. Wash hands regularly, especially before meals. Wash or wipe pets' paws after outdoor walks. These small changes help reduce the number of toxins brought into your living space, supporting a healthier indoor environment for everyone.